guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vinay and today we're going to be talking about two topics, that is search and sorting. What is search and what is sorting in the NumPy. So let's start with this. And first we're going to talk about the search, how we can search some element, any element in the array. So let's create an array first. So okay, I'm not going to do that again. Import NumPy as np. So let's create an array here. So np.array. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so here are how we can search them. We use this where and where. So what we are going to do with this is we're going to pass the value here, like we have the 7 value here. So what it's going to do for us is it's going to search this 7 value in the array and it's going to return us with the index of that 7 value. Okay, so it's saying that okay. So okay, I did it wrong. Here was np.where and arr is equals to 7. Okay, so it gives us the sixth index. So as you can see, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's on the 6th index. You can also try it with the 8th one. So okay, no 8th one. Let's say we want the modulus 2 is equals to 2. So okay, we do not have any that sort of value. I mean, it's not like that. Okay, 1 second, modulus divided by 2 is equals to okay. Oh, this one was wrong here. I have to put 0. Okay, so 1 3 5 7. So I mean, you have the odd values here. Just do not confuse yourself with these values. Okay, it's not these values here. These are the indexes. This where returns us with the indexes here. So first 3 5 7, we have all the even values here. So first 3 5 and 7, these are the 2 4 6 8. So do not let yourself confused with these numbers here. These are the indexes, not the values. So this is the short part of the searching. So let's start now with the sorting here. I mean, you might be thinking, okay, there's a just a short tutorial. I mean, you just okay, if you want to find something, these are the things you do. Okay, you just don't have to stretch it out more. So in sorting, I mean, as the word describes itself, you will have to sort something by by sort method or something like that, or an array. So let's create an array here, and that array will not be sorted like 1 to 10 or anything. So let's create 1 4 6 2 4 3. Okay. So what we're going to do is now we're going to print np.sort and we're going to sort this array. Okay, so we have now sorted array here 1 3 4 4 4 6 7 8 53. As you can see here, we have a sorted array. So it's a one-dimensional array. So what we have a two-dimensional array here. So let's copy this and paste it here and make it arr2 and make it two-dimensional array. Okay, so let's sort this here. So np.sort arr2. So what we get two lists here. First list of the first row here, and the second one is for the second row here. And these both are these are not sorted here because 1 4 6, these are the simple list. Okay, so we get all these different values here. I mean, you know what happened here, because these are not the same values. We have 3 to 5 and okay, now we have 3 to 5 here. So okay, so what it returned with us is okay, now all the values are sorted here: 1 3 4 4 6 and 2 2 4 4 6. I mean, in the two-dimensional array, you will have to have the same number of dimensions. You can't just go around and have okay, I have 10 values here and I have 3 values here. You can just do that. You can sort those values, and these are the basic requirements. So this concludes the sorting here too, and it was such a short tutorial. And thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.